Big money is flowing into one place right now: AI and the infrastructure behind it. AI has been the dominant story of the market, driving huge stock gains, record deals, and a massive global data center build-out. Normally, I recommend broad ETFs like VOO or SCHG because they spread risk across many sectors. But today we're doing the opposite. This video is about specialized sector ETFs, funds that go deep into one industry instead of wide for diversification. These ETFs can be incredibly powerful, but they also come with higher volatility, which means they're best used as a portion of your portfolio, not your entire strategy. Here are 3 specialized ETFs for 2026 that target the biggest trends in technology and infrastructure. And make sure you stay until the end. I'll share a bonus one most investors overlook. ETF number 1. Autonomous Tech and Robotics, ARKQ. The ARKQ focuses on robotics, autonomous vehicles, 3D printing, space tech, and automation. It holds around 30 to 50 companies, has been operating for over a decade, and has delivered approximately 21% average annual returns over the past 10 years, with an impressive 48% gain year-to-date. The expense ratio is higher at 0.75%, but it provides exposure to disruptive innovation without heavily overlapping traditional index funds. It includes big names like NVIDIA and Google, plus emerging innovators like Archer Aviation and Joby. This ETF tilts your portfolio toward future-focused tech. ETF number 2. Smart Grid Infrastructure, GRID. This ETF captures AI from a different angle. Energy infrastructure. GRID invests in companies that modernize global power grids, energy storage, and grid automation. As electricity demand rises from EVs, renewables, and data centers, this sector becomes critical. It has outperformed both the S&P 500 and traditional utilities ETFs over the 1-year and 5-year periods. Year-to-date, it's up about 29.6%, and over the past decade it has delivered roughly 18% average annual returns. The 0.56% expense ratio is higher than broad index funds, but its historical performance has helped justify the cost so far. It's a lesser-known ETF with strong long-term potential tied to global infrastructure upgrades. ETF number 3. Data Centers and Digital Infrastructure, DTCR. DTCR focuses on the infrastructure powering AI. It invests in data center REITs, tower companies, connectivity firms, and digital infrastructure providers. Expense ratio is 0.5%, with roughly 20% annual growth over the last 3 years. This ETF benefits from demand in cloud computing, AI workloads, 5G, and data storage. Many holdings generate steadier cash flow through leasing and bandwidth services, but risks include interest rates and real estate sensitivity, plus reliance on continued AI growth. Bonus ETF. Vanguard Information Technology, VGT. If you want pure technology growth, VGT is a favorite. It covers software, semiconductors, hardware, cloud, and data infrastructure, basically the entire tech ecosystem. The expense ratio is extremely low at 0.09%, and it has averaged about 22% annually over the past decade. Top holdings include Microsoft, Broadcom, Oracle, AMD, and NVIDIA. For investors willing to handle volatility, VGT offers one of the most historically proven long-term tech growth paths with broad diversification. Specialized ETFs like these can be powerful growth tools, but they come with higher volatility and sector risk. The smarter approach is to pair them with broad market ETFs rather than going all in on one theme. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.